What if I told you there's one tire that dominates all others? The secret weapon for trucks and SUVs is finally here. This is the ultimate all-season tire, engineered for unstoppable traction, legendary durability, and shockingly quiet comfort. We're putting the revolutionary Michelin LTX MS2 to the absolute test to see if it lives up to the hype. You won't believe the results. Let's roll. Michelin LTX MS2 is a premium all-season tire designed specifically for light trucks, SUVs, and crossovers, built with advanced technology to deliver durability, efficiency, and dependable traction in a wide range of conditions. Known for its exceptional tread life, the LTX MS2 incorporates Michelin's EverTread compound, a specially engineered rubber blend that resists wear even in severe driving environments, ensuring that the tire continues to perform reliably over thousands of miles. Its Max Touch construction technology plays a key role in evenly distributing the forces of acceleration, braking, and cornering across the tread, which not only enhances stability and handling, but also helps maximize fuel efficiency. Drivers will appreciate how this tire provides long-lasting performance without sacrificing comfort, making it an excellent choice for daily commuting, highway cruising, or extended road trips. In addition, Michelin has integrated piano acoustic tuning into the tread design, which reduces road noise and vibrations, delivering a smooth and quiet ride for both driver and passengers. Safety is another strong point, as the all-season performance of the LTX MS2 ensures dependable traction on wet, dry, and lightly snowy roads, offering peace of mind in changing weather conditions, whether navigating slippery rain-soaked streets or handling dry summer highways. The tread design maintains a solid grip and enhances braking performance. The tire is also backed by an impressive mileage warranty of up to 115,000 km, highlighting Michelin's confidence in its long-term reliability and tread longevity. Available in a wide range of sizes tailored to different vehicles, the Michelin LTX MS2 can be customized to fit specific requirements like load index, speed rating, and capacity, making it versatile for various SUV and truck applications. Designed to balance strength, fuel savings, comfort, and year-round performance, this tire is ideal for drivers who want a dependable and efficient option that can handle daily wear and tougher driving demands without compromise. In conclusion, if you're searching for a durable, all-season tire that delivers comfort and reliability, the Michelin LTX MS2 is a top-tier choice for your SUV or truck. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video.